Ate, Mami, give me some
Kinukulit si Nathan. Yan na. Naantok na. Sige, kulitin nyo para maantok.
Nathan! You're bullying!
Mama daw, mami.
No!
Oo. Alam magkano yan? $1 lang. Sa gym.
Yung hair mo kasi yan, ha?
You're such a grouchy little girl, you Daniel.
It's so annoying. Since morning. Kawawa naman to. Ito her hair. Okay. Yan, your house is so dirty with slime and you're holding Nathan. He ate my hand.
Yan na, ang sabukot mo, ang itsura mo.
Help me.
Mga taong grasa.
Huwag ka na mainis. Relax, Nathan. Impatient.
Ay, yan na, Dan, I'll show you something.